Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to be showing you an update on End of Days. However, this might not look the same to you, obviously, because I have transferred to Unreal Engine, as Roblox is just way too limited for my needs for the game. Anyway, let me just get straight into it. If you are unfamiliar with Unreal Engine, then I'll break this part down for you, but this is basically a default ALS character, meaning Advanced Locomotion System, which is a free asset on the Unreal Store. It comes with stuff like foot IK, pose transitioning, stuff like that. But pretty much the rest I had to do myself. These are just two of the gun models that I have used. I have more. We have Ragdoll 2 based on height, and it automatically gets back up, but it's a decent height. You can still jump down from stuff and not fall over. There is one bug if you just like run down a corner like that. If that happens for some reason, still haven't figured out why. Anyway, let me show you some of the gun stuff. Actually, I'll show you the blood first. So this is the Glock model. This you would technically count as hip fire, and you can ADS like that. I'm gonna make it a little bit smoother, but for now that's all I got. You got pistol gunshot wound blood effects, so just like a few little drops, and then AR hurts a little bit more, you know. And then if you shoot him in the head, got that like stringy blood coming out, and it's like a particle. But this is a player, that's why he just ate that headshot, because it's classified as a player, so it has a lot more health than like NPCs do. Dead. He does not have a blood pool on death, because I haven't implemented that for the players, but also the ragdoll is based on where you shoot them. It inherits velocity from the bullet. And once these guys die, they have a blood pool come out. There's also bullet impact decals on the body. And also a dying state for physical animation like this. They'll go on the ground for a little bit, basically just bleeding out, and they'll slowly, you'll see them start to go limp and die, basically. Now he's dead. I'll go ahead and show you some of the zombies. I'm just going to restart the level so there's not as many blood particles. So for the zombies, I'm just going to spawn one real quick. They got idle animations, attack animations, attack sounds, idle sounds, death sounds, a bunch of different sounds. They all run. You have red eyes, randomized close. They have attack animations, random left or right arm. I haven't done any like attack special effects yet, but if you shoot these zombies, I'll give you an example. If you shoot them while they are running at you, they'll do like that balance a little bit, and then when they die, they have that choking sound effect, and the blood pool, obviously. I can handle a decent amount of zombies, but the one issue is a max sound limit, because the zombies all have footstep sounds, and with a lot of zombies, that's a lot of sound effects playing at once. Go ahead and show you an example of what I mean. When I spawn a lot of them, some of their voices will cut out because of the footsteps. I can fix that by increasing the audio limit, but that's kind of laggy, so I'm looking for other ways to do that. Wait for them all to pile up, and I'll show you what I mean. them all yelling right now, but if I start moving, you can hear they stop, and then you just hear the footsteps that the game can't play all those sounds at once. But yeah, that's pretty much it. EOD making some new progress, switched to game engines. It's looking good. I'll post another update video sometime soon, and hopefully we'll have more progress. Maybe some levels done, a couple missions. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. That's about it. Bye.